This Jeep key fob has an easy to replace battery as long as you have a flathead screwdriver or two. You will also need a replacement CR2450 battery, one of the larger coin cell batteries out there. Start by prying the case apart with your flathead screwdriver. This was enough of a struggle for me that I accidentally pulled it out of frame briefly, but there are basically 4 points that clamp onto the area inside that white gasket ring, and you have to pull them all out. Having 2 screwdrivers to do this will make it easier, but I was able to eventually do it with one. When the cover is off, you can now see the battery nested inside this inner pocket, and you will need to pry it out from the opposite side of that. Again, the screwdriver I was using was not ideal, and a smaller one would have gotten in there easier, but even without this ideal tool, the job is doable. If you need a good screwdriver set, check the description and pin comment for what I'm using when I'm not helping folks out while I'm on vacation. Anyway, with the battery out, you can install the new one, which slides back into the pocket and you push it into place. You should hear a small snap when it's locked into place. I was confident that the battery replacement worked, but you may want to make sure that it works by attempting to unlock and lock before you reassemble the case. The case goes back together much easier than it comes apart, and normally I would demonstrate this myself, but there's supposedly a feature in this key fob where if your battery completely dies, you could still start your vehicle by pressing the start-stop button with the key fob. There should be a detector in the button that can sense the key information even without power in the key fob. If you can test this while the battery is out and confirm that this works in the comments, it will provide peace of mind to future viewers that check. If you want to learn about cars and automotive repair, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching Cars Simplified.